I see you, Will.
I post steady trying to get the drop, but let her slide through. That dumb bitch thinking she gon' lie me. Don't know that she died too. Already done her best go one time shit, so now we going for two. We put a 30 inside a 30 with switches on. We brought them hang up the roof.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So look, this is what I'm doing right now. Checking the hubs now. Make sure them hubs are straight. I checked it and it's pretty straight. I'm surprised my jack even lifted this truck up. It's worn out. Yeah, it's pretty worn out. Checking the hubs. Make sure you guys check your hub and your tie rod in. Oh, I gotta check. I checked my rack and pinion too. Check the passenger. Haven't checked the driver yet. Another meet tonight. You know, we outside. A little pre-game warm-up for tomorrow. Y'all know I'm at the No Life Empire show tomorrow. Sunday, March 26th. It's gonna be lit too. My boy Aiden, he gonna come through. Got the outside all clean, but we never touch the inside. So when he get here, we're gonna clean the inside of this, you know what I'm saying? Make it look presentable. Cause it is a SEMA build now. Some of y'all may know already, but if you're new, I do plan on going higher with this truck. And now I'd say I measured it from the ground to the top of the hood. I think it was 64 inches. And from the ground to the, I think I measured to the middle of the headlight or the top of the headlight. Either way, it's 58 inches. Pretty sure it's set at maybe 11 and a half, maybe 12. These FTS don't sit that big compared to the Max Track, which I already knew that. Done my research on everything, I already know. But you can't beat that faceplate, man. UCA drop bracket. And man, this truck about to be sitting tall, boy. It's gonna be sitting like a 10 to 12. You're probably wondering how the hell am I gonna have steering? I got a solution for that too. Steering joints from Talford. Rack and pinion drop bracket too. Coilovers coming soon. Bro, cause dead ass, I was trying to figure out who the was making all that noise. It's this damn peon. My phone didn't even pick that up. My ears did though. Yeah, that's the one. Oh. Yeah. As y'all can see, the foolery never stops. That's why I made sure I got an easy cut just so you could wash.
Smell the inside of my truck first of all. My truck like is more of the raw leather scent. Do you want that or you want more of the fruity scent? Smell that?
Yeah, kind of smell like Windex.
What you fucking with? The raw leather? The raw leather.
The raw leather.
And they give it a shine. Don't mind that. Give it a little
Take
shine.
2.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, so I got these for sale. They're 4-wheel drive diff drop brackets for the FTS. You want it? Shoot me a text on IG or Snapchat. What size tires was it that you were selling? BFG 33s, brand new.
If they can confirm that they seen the shit on your account, I'll let them go for $700.
I want to hear that bitch whine one more time, bro. Yes, Lord. what? Oh yeah, I like that. Hey, who car is this? It's just sitting there. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so last night it was pretty fun. A lot of people showed out. Hellcats, boy, they went stupid for real, for real. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. We slid into the No Life Empire show today. It's supposed to be raining while we're there. Still gonna show out though. What's up guys? We done made it to the show. We gotta wipe the truck down. So I'm gonna just do that, I guess, until Aiden gets here, because he's supposed to be doing it, but he's not here right now at the moment. So that's why I tried to tell him to ride with me, but he don't listen. So yeah, we're gonna wipe this shit down. I'm gonna show y'all the trucks. My twin. Oh, let's say 100,000. Yeah, what up, bro? The biggest. Yeah. That's my twin, y'all. Truck got cleaned up a little bit before the show. This is how it's looking so far. Aiden still gotta wipe it down some, but this is how we're rolling right now. Golly, that's a big ass ball joint spacer. He chose to be light skinned today. sound like? No? Okay. Alternate that. Yeah, let's go down the line.
I see you will. I post steady trying to get the drop, but let her slide through. That dumb bitch thinking she gon' lie me. Don't know that she dying too. Already done up that score one time shit, so now we going for two. We put a 30 inside a 30 with switches on. We run them, hang out the roof. He posting up on the gram, get him robbed. You know what my shorty gon' do. I show little bro like 10K on the phone. He say that he ready to shoot. What up? Have gang on that car for you even pull up. You ain't get back gang, you ain't sliding for none. Know the nigga off, so it's fuck my cup. Let's go. Real shiesty, get that shit back in blood. I was 16 riding around with a dub. Might pull up 8 a.m. just because. He come outside, he ain't bad bitch, so to have my son. Average, so you can have it none. Posted inside, you know my good. So walk outside, niggas better run. Ain't got no time, we slip in the slide. Glock gon' put you up in the sun. Don't put my hoe, cause I ain't high. Find a dead man, bitch, gun. Roll him up, put him in the sun. Nigga close my casket, I don't fuck with y'all. I ran it up with bees, you know that's my dog. Homemade just to go jog. 10 exotic rounds for the car. I can't tell you what I saw. Run harder than Tony Ho, ain't feed your fam, you ain't no boss. Bills hitting me and doing bills. When it got more shit, go. I hold steady trying to get the drop, but let her slide through that dumb bitch thinking she gon' lie me. Don't know that she dying too. Already done up that score one time shit, so now we going for two. We put a 30 inside a 30 with switches on. We run them, hang out the roof. He posting up on the gram, get him robbed. You know what my shorty gon' do. I show little bro like 10K on the phone. He say that he ready to shoot. What up? Have gang on that car for you even pull up.
Alright guys, so I gotta film an outro because I never filmed one. We took home an award. Got best SUV. Had a great time at the show. With that being said, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe if you really enjoyed the video. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'll see you guys later. Peace.
Go, go, go. Dog, 7.
Alright, I see you, Will.
I post steady trying to get the drop, but let her slide through. That dumb bitch thinking she gon' lie me. Don't know that she dying too. Already done up that score one time shit, so now we going for two. We put a 30 inside.